don't like these turns.
This turn I break and release, and I don't know what I do yet.
This last one kills me.
The last
Because
one is just
sometimes
a
I
drift
don't
in
have
the
to brake.
inside.
Sometimes I don't have to brake, but then sometimes I have a shit line and I have to brake and release.
I just break, make a drift in that end. Noah, you bastard.
Gotta keep third, gimme. I'm in the mud.
Second.
Oh.
Just snipe, right? Say your name, bitch.
Slow down.
13. Against the riskies. Okay. 13 with 13.
Oh, the reactor map.
What reactor? Oh fuck. Okay. Well, these are not consistent. Let's
It's
see.
my drip through the S, you know? Where I lose all my time.
This map is cool.
I don't know how fast Risk is, though.
This map is cool. Good luck, everybody. Let's go.
Kimmy, you have a 40.311.
Yeah.
I have a 40.370. And we are almost 1,400 places away in world.
Yeah, everybody's close there. The gear, so that I lose all the every advantage that I have. Fuck, now I make a meme. Oh, I can't. Double respawn. Fuck that. Did you guys? I catch them?
Cooked that time, Jesus.
Yeah, that's cool.
Two.
Go to what? 1K something?
1,600. Now is that
That's cool.
4K or something?
Hey, you're cute, guys. Try to snipe us.
Oh, I almost beat Dentro with the fastest time.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Like that we can win. Zen is pushing, but... can go. Say your name, bitch. It's 3-1. Let's go. Oh, I always go against the tree in this beginning. You know what I'm...
Had to release.
I clip.
Start your drift in the grass, Kimmy, and it helps out a lot.
It's on this part. What's your rank right now, Bal?
20 or 2,000, and I've lost 2 games, so I think my next loss is ID rank.
Oh fuck. No, we need to, we need a win. We need a win.
We need a good map.
Well, we need a good opponents, not a good map.
No, good map.
Look at
Good
these
map.
opponents. Look at those times. Those bastards.
0.8. Yeah, Noah. Jesus Christ.
Well, you had an insane beginning. Wasn't you?
It was pretty good. I was down some speed, but it was good. I have a really good start on my PB run.
Okay. Okay, 1-1. We can win this. Fuck! So this was quick, Mr. Bell.
Gonna D-rank, can't catch a win.
Yeah, this was hard. This was a sure PB. Noah, you bastard.
Getting faster. Oh, bad start.
Fuck that corner, man. Fuck. Oh my god. I was going to beat my PB if I don't make that. Name at the exit of the dirt.
No. Oh. That would have been nice.
No, I make that part really bad. Fuck. For me, it's that last plastic.
Oh wait, it's a different map. Never mind. Thinking of a different map.
Yeah, I know you were killing it, but that's cool.
Noah was going in. I was just giving him shit.
Fuck. I'm not consistent on this, so let's see if we don't do rank bell here.
Close.
Really close then. Good cooking. Okay, while we wait, let's try to make a PB on 09. So Bell, you need to do
How much?
is try to...
You should go solo. Oh.
Yeah, it's where we are. You have to prepare really well this corner here. One.
No.
So I have to release to be safer.
Yes.
Let's fucking go.
No. I had so much speed coming out of that. +6. Oh, that would have been insane. That would have been insane. I didn't get it.
Catching up. Just past 2. Oh fuck, if we didn't have that beginning so bad, this was a PB, for sure. Nice one, Mr. Bell. It's a PB. Going really well. Lose the gear and I have, oh my god, I'm making memes in that. How do we make that last that turn, man? I was so into the PB here. But that last third, I'm losing.
Going from 4,000 to 1,600. Jeez.
Get past, but I think it was our teammate. Yeah. Make some memes in the end, but let's go. GG. We win. Hey, one more, Bell? To end?
I'll play one more.
You don't do rank anymore right now, so you have more chances. Nope. Let's go. Last matchmaking of the stream. Part that I lose all the time is on that
Just go high.
plastic part. Oh, fuck. I saw that happening and it was happening to me too. Okay, we threw away this one. Let's go. Can do it, Bell. Let's go. Okay. And more speed than everybody, but I make a meme on that corner. Oh, I lose the gear. I'm about to be passed. I'm in 4th. Come on. I lose the 3rd place. I like that.
Took a shit line.
Yeah, I had a bad line too. And then
Say,
in the jump, you will lose.
I'll go by that wall.
It's really close to that wall for in the jump when you land. The car just almost puts in 2 wheels and you make the drift and you go.
That makes sense.
You go that far.
Oh, I hear it. The map I was talking about.
What?
I hear it.
No. Oh no.
I hear it. I hear it from the start.
You stay like that, we have a win. Okay. Focus time. Let's make it like we know.
Do you break and release or just release?
In the beginning, full speed.
No.
I suck
I
at
knew
this
it.
one.
This is the one I was talking about last match.
I always make memes on this beginning.
Ugh. Got a 36-1, so I beat it by 0.4, but
36-1. Oh, I have a 36-1. And you?
well, you beating me a little bit.
Okay. Come on, I was cooking.
I had a lot of speed there.
Come on. I was close to them. Good luck. Well, this is the last matchmaking of the stream, guys. Let's see if we can end this with a win. I'm not confident enough on this map because I always make a mess before that turn.
Oh, that's a bad turn.